Evergreen Academy. This is actually especially important if you have parents, elder parents, they come to here in the Bay Area, they don't have places to go or they love to meet new friends. We recommend that you join this group. It's called Evergreen Academy, 长青学院. Every week, every Saturday, they have a special program. They can learn a lot of new things. They can share their experience wherever they go and things like that. So we do like to invite you to bring your parents over here or senior member in your family. Okay, you won't regret of having spent the time here. It's actually a very good program that they have. 听就亲像一阵风。